STEM Robot explained why every student needs a robotic kit. Imagine learning science by building it, coding by seeing it move, and engineering by creating your own robot. This is not the future, this is STEM Robotics. A STEM robot is more than just a machine. It's a powerful learning tool that combines science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into one hands-on experience. Students don't just read concepts, they build, code, test, and improve real working robots. In today's fast-changing world, textbook learning isn't enough. Students need real skills. Robotics kits help students think critically, solve real-world problems, learn coding from an early age, understand how technology actually works. Because when students build robots, they are not just learning, they are creating solutions. Hands-on learning improves understanding and engagement. STEM robotics builds skills that schools often miss. Creativity, design your own robot, logic, program step-by-step actions, confidence, build something that actually works, teamwork, solve challenges together. It turns students into innovators, not just learners. Robotics enhance problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking. From AI to automation, robotics is shaping the future. Early exposure helps students explore careers in artificial intelligence, robotics engineering, IoT, and automation. STEM kits equip students with skills they'll need in tomorrow's careers. If you want your child to learn smarter, think bigger, and build the future, explore hands-on learning with IEMRobotics because the future belongs to creators.